Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to use camera effects on WhatsApp. So to use camera effect on WhatsApp, first you have to activate it by tapping the three dots at the top right corner, tapping on settings, going to privacy and making sure this allow camera effect is turned on. So now if you open the camera, let's go to a chat and open the camera. So open the camera now, and then once you do effects on the camera, so what do? You can see this button here, that is the effects button, so you cannot choose the effect you want. It's as simple as that. We have effects, filters, and we have background. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.